KevG weather overview, looking at a winter weather advisory tonight for light pockets of ice accumulation in the areas shaded in blue. So this is away from the New York City metro. In the metro area in Long Island, it'll be more of a mix to rain, and it'll change over quicker. But we're dealing with very light amounts of precip area wide. But in the areas in blue, north and west of the city, that's where you can get a light glaze of ice, and it can be dangerous in some of the valleys where it tends to freeze up on surfaces that are untreated rather quickly. Now, as we go through the evolution of the week, it's basically going to be a series of weak weather systems through the Monday through Friday time period. And we will get breaks in between, and then a more important storm for Saturday into Sunday to start the new year. Now, for tonight, just areas of light precip, mainly north of the city, has to worry about ice accumulation, and then we get a break for Tuesday, a pleasant day with highs around 50. And then light rain moves in late Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then should dissipate early. And we'll get into a decent day on Wednesday, but then more rain will move in for early Thursday. There's again going to be very light amounts through Thursday. And then once this system goes by, New Year's Eve looks rather nice for celebration. And it'll be a nice day with temperatures around 50 and dry. For the ball drop in Times Square, I think you could expect 40 to 45 with partly cloudy skies as we welcome in 2022. And as we get into Saturday afternoon, a more important storm will start to move in, and this will bring maybe some wintry precip at the onset, but it'll be a Saturday night and a Sunday affair, and this will be mainly rain. Now, north and west of New York City, there could be problems with ice accumulation and even some snow. So that's going to be one to monitor, but if you live away from the coast. So for the coastal sections, I think it's basically a rain event. And we'll get a break on Sunday morning before more rain perhaps moves in Sunday night into Monday. That storm may want to track to our south and miss us entirely. So it's a complicated weather setup for the weekend, but I think you can bank on rain for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night into Sunday morning. Maybe get that New Year's brunch, as a way to avoid the raindrops as opposed to nighttime activities. But the more important element of the forecast is going to be what happens north and west of the city for that particular storm Saturday night into Sunday. I don't think it'll be much for the city. And then it turns cold from Monday into Tuesday as we get this brisk northerly flow to move in. And that'll give us more wintry temperatures for Monday into Tuesday, but no precipitation to deal with. Climate Prediction Center looking into their crystal ball for January 2nd through the 6th. They have a good probability of near normal temperatures for that period of time. And we just looked at the weather map, and there's a lot of northerly, brisk, cold air that's moving in for that time period, so that makes sense. But then as we go out into the 8 to 14 day, they want to give us a little bit of a relaxation. They're suggesting that, above normal temperatures, or at least there's a possibility, a good possibility anyway, of above normal temperatures for the period January 4 through 10, and they keep the cold air situated across the northern tier of the United States. So that's what we have to look forward to. I think until there's a real fundamental change in the overall pattern, I think snow lovers are going to be upset, and I don't think that we're going to be seeing any sustained cold around here until such a pattern change takes place. Now for tomorrow, we're looking at highs around 50 after we get rid of this wintry mix tonight. Wednesday, highs around 45, so a bit cooler as we deal with some light rain. And then Thursday, after some early morning rain, we'll get highs up into the 40s to near 50. Friday, highs around 50, looking like a nice New Year's Eve. And then the first part of New Year's Day is fine, and then we get into rain for the nighttime with highs around 50. And watch out north and west. There could be problems Saturday night and Sunday as maybe a wintry mix tries to hold on for those folks up there. But we'll look at it later in the week. In any case, watch out for the ice tonight, and we'll dodge a few light raindrops the rest of the week. But all in all, the main weather story will be fairly calm as we go into 2022. And we'll have to watch for that rain-snow situation for Saturday night and Sunday, particularly north and west.